I'm Leanne Danielle, stylist and owner of House of Tresses. Welcome to our channel. This is our first ever video and I'm super excited to be kicking it off with this tutorial for you guys. It is our first video, so please give us a thumbs up and show us a little bit of support, you know, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more from us. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do something really simple and easy. It's an effortless ponytail with a bit of curl, a bit of bangs or fringe at the front. This is for an everyday working girl who doesn't have much time but still wants to look glam and cute, you know. So yeah, let's get straight to it. If you're wearing hair extensions and you're worried about seeing them, I'm wearing hair extensions too, so this is perfect for you also. Whether you have hair extensions or not, this is a hairstyle for you. I'm starting off by curling my hair with the Remington, I don't know if you can see that, with the Remington Pro hair curler. And I'm just going to do some loose curls, starting from the left, going all the way around, and I'm going to leave my bangs out. So with your fringe, I get a bit of frizz underneath, so I like to rub the wand there just to straighten that out a bit, and then you're going to get the bang, wrap it around the wand away from your face, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to curl my hair away from my face all the way around. There you go, and that's your first one. I don't really want tight curls, this is why I'm using this size. I just want nice loose curls. And they haven't got to be perfect or uniform, because like I say, we want this to look effortless and like you walk up like this, really. You just hold it there for a couple of seconds, drop it in your hand, let it cool down a little bit just to hold that curl, and then release, and there you have it, perfect little curl. And we're just going to do the same thing and follow it all the way around. As you can see, I'm just wrapping the hair around the wand from the mid length to the ends. I'm not going right at the root because your hair is going up, so you really don't need to do the root area. So one side is completed. As you can see, I've created really effortless loose curls, and then you just want to do the same on the other side. Stretch out the root area because mine's going to be a little bit frizzy, and this is also going to create some volume as well, which is what we want. As you can see the difference. See that little bounce? And again, away from the face. Don't worry if it has curled it a little too much, you can fix that at the end by combing it out. Okay. I think that took us around 12 minutes, which is not that long, and if that is still time consuming for you, just think I have hair extensions in and I have quite long ones in, so I have to do smaller sections, whereas if you use your natural hair you can take bigger sections. As you can see, they're not perfect curls, they're just slight bends and waves. That's all that we wanted, we just create some movement and texture in the hair. Now that we've got that out of the way, we're going to take these sections here and just go, you want to form like a triangle, so you want to go down on that side like that and down on that side, and that's going to be the bit that we leave out with our ponytail. So we've got that side and that's, and then you want to get a little clip and clip it out the way. Sorry if you can't see me. Let me just try and get that out of the way for you guys. Okay, there we are. As you can see, it's like a triangle section. Okay, now that we've pinned that out the way, you just want to create some volume in the root. You want to get a comb and then back comb it a little bit. Create a bit of texture using some dry shampoo. Then you want to get some hairspray and a soft bristle brush, sorry. If you don't have one of these, you can use like a toothbrush, like a new one preferably, clean one. And then you want to spray the hairspray on it and then just smooth out your edges like so. And this is going to help you hide any hair extensions also, because it smooths it over correctly. If you don't have any hairspray, you can use some oil. Or something that's a little bit light but with a bit of hold, because this is an effortless messy ponytail. It's not a sleek ponytail. Okay, once you've done that, you want to start putting your hair up into a pony. And because you've backcombed the root of your hair, you should have some volume here. If you don't, then pull it forward like that and just pull out the pieces you want. And then you want to use your brush. Any brush would do if you don't have one of these, or a toothbrush you can use. And you just want to smooth off anything. If you like, you can pull down some side pieces, which I always like to do. Okay, now that you have your pony up in place, you want to get a bobble and just tie it up. Okay, and then you want to pull at the top of your ponytail. This is going to give you a bit of volume and make it go up and over rather than flat. So you want to pull at the tops like this, and that's going to give you the volume with a bit of bounce. And then you can see this bit has gone a little bit flat, so we're just going to pull that out a little bit. Pull all the pieces you want. Now I can see that this needs just a tiny bit of smoothing, so I'm just going to use some hair oil. I'm using the Phyto Baobab oil. Don't know if I've pronounced it right. Just gonna rub it on my hands, warm it up a little bit, and then just smooth down any flyaways. And don't forget underneath as well. Okay, now that we've done that, we want to get our comb again and just back comb slightly on the ponytail. Just right at the root at the top, just to create that extra bounce. And then you want to comb over it so it looks nice and smooth. Comb through your ends. Just so everything looks nice and smooth and not messy. And this will make your curls go uniform into one. So it's like one big loose curl. To loosen our fringe area. So I'm just going to grab that and curl over it again. Just to finish off this ponytail, I'm going to get a piece from underneath of the pony, get some hairspray. Going, and then you're going to get your brush, smooth it out, and then you're just going to wrap it around the root of your pony to cover that bobble that you have in. Then you get your bobby pin and secure it. Just like that, you can see. I don't know if you can see. There. To keep that volume, you want to get your hairspray and just spritz it. Pull out your hair. Like that, just grab it and pull it up. Spray. And then finger comb any messy bits. And that's how I do my effortless, cute little girly ponytail. Perfect for work and everyday life. If you like this tutorial, then please give us a thumbs up. Comment below if you like what else you'd like to see from us, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more of these tutorials. And yes, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.